Pre-statistics. Solving radical equations, part 3. Lesson objective. Use a square root model to make predictions about an independent variable. Property. If a and b are expressions and n is a counting number greater than 1, then all the solutions of the equation a equals b are among the solutions of the equation a raised to the n power equals b raised to the n power. That is, the solutions of an equation are among the solutions of the equation obtained by raising both sides to the n power. So we will use this property in solving radical equations that are not square roots. Let's do an example. Example 7. Solve the cube root of 2w minus 4 plus 7 equals 9. Solution. The index is 3, so we will want to isolate this radical and then cube it to get rid of the cube root. But before we do that, we have to subtract 7 to both sides of the equal sign. Now the cube root is isolated. We raise both sides of the equation to a power of 3. This power of 3 will cancel out this index of 3, and 2 cubed is 8. So we have 2w minus 4 equals 8. We add 4 and divide by 2, and w is equal to 6. To check it, we start with the original equation, substitute 6 for w. 2 times 6 is 12, minus 4 is 8. The cube root of 8 is 2, and 2 plus 7 is 9. It checks. It's a true statement. Let's do another example. Example 8. Solve 3 times the fourth root of 5x plus 1 plus 9 equals 15. Solution. Again, when we're solving equations, we want to follow the order of operation in reverse. So if we knew what the value of x was, we would multiply by 5, add 1, take the fourth root of that number, multiply by 3, and then last add 9. So solving the equation, we follow the order of operation in reverse. So the first thing we're going to get rid of is the plus 9. So we're going to subtract 9 to both sides. Next, we want to isolate the radical. So we need to get rid of the 3. Since it's multiplying, we do the opposite and we divide. And we are left with the fourth root of 5x plus 1, and that equals 2. To eliminate this index of 4, we're going to raise the left-hand side and the right-hand side to a power of 4. This 4 and this 4 cancel. This will be 5x plus 1, and this will be 2 to the fourth power, which is 16. So we have 5x plus 1 equals 16. Subtract 1 to both sides. 5x equals 15, which means x is equal to 3. To check it, we substitute 3 in. We have to compute this expression under the radical first. So this will be 5 times 3 plus 1, which is 16. The fourth root of 16 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 9 is 15. So the left-hand side equals the right-hand side. 3 is a solution. Lesson objective. Example 9. The equation f of t equals 17 times the square root of t plus 44 is the model for the data set at the right, where f of t is the percentage of colleges and universities that offer distance learning at t years since 1997. Predict when all colleges and universities will offer distance learning. So the question is asking, what t will it be when f of t is equal to 100%? Solution. we substitute 100 in for f of t. We're going to solve for t. Our first step is to subtract the 44. We get 56 equals 17 times the square root t. Next we divide by 17. Next, to cancel out the square root, we square both sides. And approximating 56 divided by 17 squared, we get t is approximately equal to 10.85. So about 11 years. So we would say, according to the model, in about 11 years after 1997, or in about 2008, all colleges and universities have distance learning as an option. Now this may be a model breakdown, because I'm not sure that 100% of colleges and universities has online classes. Thanks for watching.